Okay, today I'm just going to do a quick demo illustrating how to get into MyITLab and some of the features that are with it. Okay, so I just go to myitlab.com. Alright, and I would recommend, if you haven't taken advantage of this, there's a little home computer setup wizard here. It has a little piece of software. Go ahead and download that and run that. What it'll do is it'll optimize both your web browser and your operating system to run MyITLab. Okay, so go ahead and click on this sign in over here. Once you've done that, you want to make sure you sign into Office 2013. I'm going to log on as my student ID here. Go ahead and get yourself authenticated. Alright, and here these are two courses that I was enrolled in another semester. If you've already enrolled, you just click and you go right in that. What I'll need to do, since this first time I need to enroll in this course, remember the course ID uniquely identifies our course from all the other ones across the country, and so there is posted in Moodle the course ID, and there's actually a little PDF file you can print out and just follow those instructions if you like. I'll put in the course ID for this particular section. Your section might be a little bit different. I'll hit continue. And we'll let that go ahead and do its processing here. Okay. And there is my section. This particular section we're looking at is from spring of 2014. It's section 50. Alright. So I'll go ahead and actually going to hit the home button here. There we go. Okay, so for whatever reason I needed to head back to home here, and here's my course. Okay, and this will be kind of the place that you start at most times. Okay, so go ahead and get started in there, and you really have two over here on the margin. You have two different options. One is to access course materials, the other is to access grades. Right now there's no grades in there. There's nothing. We haven't really done anything yet. We just entered a course. The way I've broken this down, I have the course materials broken into 3 folders. One is homework, and in here will be all of our different homework exercises. I have them all turned on right now. Alright, this particular homework exercise, homework 1.2, just has some videos in it. These other ones will have, this one actually has 3 different simulation exercises. So I can go ahead and initiate one of those, and that actually will pull up a simulation of the Microsoft Office or Microsoft Excel and ask you to do some of the skill-based activity training that you'll find. And these mirror the same exercises you'll find in your textbook too. So if that's helpful to you, you can open up your text and read through them there too to kind of help walk you through those. Alright, the other thing that you'll find in here, go back out to course materials, you'll find assessment activities here. Alright, and there's a whole video that's in the Moodle show that shows you how to use these assessment activities, but these are a little different, where you actually bring up an interface. I think that's going to screw up my video. I don't think you'll see that, but it brings up an interface where you download some files, work on them on your PC. Okay, so like download a Excel starter file, work on it, follow the directions that it gives you, and then you upload it back up, and it actually will grade the assessment for you, so you'll get some immediate feedback. And of course, if you miss things, if there's things on it that you don't do correctly, go back and do the assignment again. You can just take that same Excel file, that same Microsoft Access file, make the corrections. It tells you exactly what you've done wrongly on it. So I encourage you to really watch that webcast that shows you how to do that and take advantage of that. Okay, when you're done, sign out, and you're all finished.